Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak With Us. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Today, we're learning how to speak English at a grocery store.
Let's begin. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Fresh Market. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a few grocery items.
Certainly. What do you need?
First, where can I find milk?
The dairy section is in aisle 3.
Thank you. I also need eggs.
The eggs are right next to the milk.
Great. That's easy to remember.
Is there anything else you're looking for?
Yes, I need some fresh bread.
You'll find the bakery at the back of the store.
Perfect. I love fresh bread.
We baked it this morning.
It smells wonderful. I'd also like some apples.
Our fresh fruits are on the left side. We have red apples and green apples today.
Which ones are sweeter?
The red apples are sweeter. The green apples have a slightly sour taste.
I'll take 6 red apples, please.
Excellent choice. They're on sale today.
Really? That's great news.
You can save $2 on every bag.
Wonderful. I'll take 1 bag.
Anything else?
Yes, I'm looking for rice.
Rice is in aisle 5. We have several different brands.
Thank you. I'll go take a look.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need any more help.
Excuse me, I have another question.
Of course. How can I help you?
Do you sell fresh orange juice?
Yes, we do. You'll find it in the refrigerated drink section.
Is it near the milk?
Yes. It's just across from the dairy section.
Perfect. I'll grab a bottle.
We also have apple juice and grape juice.
Thank you. I'll take 1 bottle of orange juice.
Great choice. It's one of our best-selling products.
I also need a box of cereal.
The cereal is in aisle 7. There are many different brands.
Which one is the most popular?
This whole grain cereal is our customer's favorite.
Is it healthy?
Yes, it's high in fiber and low in sugar.
That sounds perfect. I'll take 1 box.
Would you like the family size or the regular size?
I'll take the regular size, please.
No problem. Anything else?
Yes, I need some bottled water.
Bottled water is in aisle 9. We have small bottles and large packs.
I'll take 1 large pack.
Excellent. Is there anything you're having trouble finding?
Actually, yes. I can't find the pasta.
No worries. Follow me. I'll show you where it is.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's right here beside the pasta sauce.
Oh, I see it now. I'll take 2 packs.
Great. You're almost finished with your shopping.
I think I have everything on my shopping list now.
That's great. Are you ready to check out?
Yes, I am.
Please follow me to the checkout counter.
Thank you.
Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, your directions were very helpful.
I'm happy to hear that. Please place your items on the counter.
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. I'll scan your groceries now.
No problem.
Your apples are on sale today. You saved $2.
That's wonderful. I always like a good discount.
You also received the special discount on the cereal.
Really? That's even better.
Your total comes to $48.75.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please insert your card into the payment terminal.
Should I enter my PIN?
Yes, please. Then press the green button.
Done.
Your payment has been approved.
Great. Could I have a receipt, please?
Certainly. Would you like a printed receipt or an email receipt?
A printed receipt, please.
Here you are. Would you like a shopping bag?
Yes, please. I have quite a few items.
No problem. I'll pack your groceries carefully.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
It's my pleasure. We always try to make shopping easy for our customers.
Everything looks perfect. Thank you for packing my groceries.
You're very welcome. Before you leave, would you like to join our free rewards program?
That sounds interesting. What are the benefits?
You can earn points every time you shop. Those points can be used for discounts on future purchases.
That's a great idea. I'd like to sign up.
Wonderful. It only takes a minute. May I have your phone number, please?
Certainly. It's 555-482-9173.
Thank you. You're all set. You'll start earning points today.
Excellent. I'll definitely use it on my next visit.
We also have weekly special offers. You can find them on our website or mobile app.
I'll check them out. I always enjoy saving money.
That's a smart way to shop. Here's your shopping bag and your receipt.
Thank you very much. Everything was easy to find because of your help.
I'm glad I could help. We hope to see you again soon.
I'm sure I'll be back. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
Before we finish, let's quickly review today's useful expressions. I'm looking for a few grocery items.
Where can I find the milk?
Which apples are sweeter?
They're on sale today.
Can I pay by card?
Would you like a printed receipt or an email receipt?
I'd like to join the rewards program.
Thank you for shopping with us.
Excellent job! These are everyday English expressions you'll hear in grocery stores.
Practice them whenever you can. The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thanks for learning with Speak With Us. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Goodbye, and we'll see you in another real-life English conversation.